Introducing the Truly Wire-free Earbuds by iLive. Designed to deliver incredible sound quality that moves with you wherever you go. The wire-free earbuds by iLive amplify everything you love while canceling everything you don't. Complete with Bluetooth 5.0 and customizable accessories for a secure and comfy in-ear fit, the Truly Wire-free Earbuds by iLive deliver a premium sound experience. Whether jogging on a trail or enjoying city life, leave wires in the dust with iLive's Truly Wire-free Bluetooth earbuds. Each set of iLive wire-free Bluetooth earbuds comes with around-the-ear hooks in electric green and sleek black. If ear hooks aren't your style, the iLive wire-free earbuds come with in-ear tips for a sleek and minimalist look. Durable, flexible, and easy to use, iLive's earbuds can be customized to fit perfectly to you. The earbuds include a sleek charging base with everything you'll need for easy micro USB charging. Don't sweat the small stuff. The iLive earbuds are IPX7 waterproof. Sweat, weather, and moisture won't slow you down. The iLive Truly Wire-free earbuds are comfortable and easy to use, a cinch to charge, and are totally customizable to your perfect fit. For Bluetooth earbuds that work and play as hard as you do, get the iLive Truly Wire-free earbuds.